Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Brawl Star account. So first, you need to head into your Play Store and make sure that you have already installed or set up a Brawl Star application. As you can see here, I have already installed my Brawl Star. So after installing your Brawl Star application, you just need to click the play button here and then it will open the application. Just finish this practice game, and then after this, it will let us set up our Supercell ID to register for a Brawl Star account. Now create a player name for your account. And add your age here. Then accept this all and then click this play button. After this practice game, we will be able to finally set up our Brawl Star account. As you can see, we have finished the practice game, so we just need to connect it to our Supercell ID. Click the hamburger icon that you can see in the top right corner of the screen and then head to Settings and then click the Supercell ID, which is here. Then log in using our Supercell ID. And then it will send us a verification code for the registration of our Brawl Star account. Then just click the confirm button. And that's it. As you can see, we have completed creating our account and connected it to our Supercell ID. And that's how you can create an account in Brawl Star. And thank you for listening.